Good morning and welcome to, I believe we are on week three. So I just kind of want to catch you guys up. If you noticed last week, the video I posted, I'm kind of trying to reuse some of them so they don't get redundant. But the dates are wrong. I didn't realize I had said some dates. So last week's video was a little confusing having some September dates on there. So I'm going to bring you up to date. Here we are today, January 31st. Today starts week three. So by now you should have your MindTap access. You should have your ebook. If you noticed in the back of the syllabus, you have a schedule here that shows you week to week. And so again, we're on week three, January 31st through February 6th. This shows that you need to be working on chapter two. Chapter one was technically due on the 30th according to your schedule, but I did move it to February 6th because I know some of us get a little behind getting things going. So I wanted to make sure that you had plenty of time to get that done. So let me know if you have issues with February 6th deadline. You also need to be purchasing the MindTap Access. I've had several emails over the weekend, and please know that I'm off on the weekends. I'll try to answer some of your emails, but customarily I make myself available day and night through the week, but I try to take my weekends off. So if you choose to do some of your content on the weekend, it may take me a little bit longer to get back with you. But some of you were saying that your access was running out. You had the trial access, and again, it's just that it's a trial. So they give you a 10-day trial for MindTap, just so you can start class, and then that way you don't get behind on things. But that's not going to get you through the semester. So you need to go in and purchase the MindTap access for this book, the 1301 Criminal Justice. The book and the MindTap access and everything is in your syllabus. They should have it available at all the bookstores. I know for sure it's at the Levelland bookstore and the Reese bookstore. If you want to do it online, it's a little bit different process to go through Cengage to do that. But yes, you will need to purchase that. If you got the free access, that is limited. So unfortunately, you have to purchase it. That way you have access to this homework platform. These are very simple. If you've done Chapter 1 MindTap quiz review and the MindTap video case file, you got 43 points or up to 43 points and up to 29 points for those. So you can get a significant amount of points for these. So although you have to pay for this platform, it's giving you the opportunity to make 500 points over the semester by doing these easy little access things. So you have the video case file. That's a real easy. You watch a video and you answer some questions, and then the review over that. You can take that review up to twice. So if you don't like your grade the first time or just want to take it again for review, you can go in and take it again, and it'll actually factor in your best grade. This also not only adds 43 points to your grade, or up to, you have the possibility to make 100 basically. That's up to 43 points. But this should also help you whenever if you'll look down at your February 21st through 27th, week 6, you'll have a test, a major test, that's worth 100 points over chapters 1, 2, and 3. All of these quizzes that you're actually getting credit for, that you're getting up to 43 points for and can take more than once, these are helping you to review for that big chapter test that's worth 100 points. So again, very easy to make a lot of points in here, but to be able to pass this class, the total amount of points you can make throughout the semester is 1,000 points. So if you finish the semester at 900 points or more, that's an A. So that gives you 100 points leeway to be able to get a couple wrong here and there, but you cannot pass without doing this MindTap. So it's imperative that you get this MindTap access. You do have to pay for it. It's not just available on the free trial basis. So please make sure and get that done. That way you can get these done. If you need some that are open a little bit to catch up, I'm happy to do that, but I won't do it throughout the semester just until you get this access done. That should pretty much sum it up. So just pay attention to what's due each week. This week it starts chapter 2, and by the end of next week, the 13th of February, you'll have chapter 2 MindTap quiz and review, the 43.1, and the MindTap video case file for 29 points. So you'll have 1 and 2 done by then. So again, through that time, let me know, and I'm happy to extend those if I need to. But pretty much after that, you should be in place. We're about a month in at that point, so you really need to have all of your stuff for class. So hopefully you're enjoying it. Hopefully it's easy to find and navigate. This new setup is really good. We're enjoying it, and we're hearing good feedback from the students on it. The best way to get a hold of me if you're having any issues or have any questions, email me at kburns@southplainscollege.edu. And like I said, especially Monday through Friday, I'll get back with you just about any hour of the day, not in the overnight hours if you're an overnight homework kind of person. But I'm a little bit more limited on the weekends. I try to take a day or two off, just like everybody else. And so it may take me a little bit longer to get back with you. With that, I hope you have a great week, and please be sure and let me know if you have any issues. Thanks.